Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this Teak clothes drying rack. It may not look like much because it is all consolidated in here, but this thing comes out and comes to life and holds up to 45 pounds worth of clothing. Now right here at the bottom, you have a little foot pedal that releases a tripod. So you can have this up to 48 inches tall. There you go. The little legs come right out. And this is all teak. So that means like it's water resistant and it's such a pretty wood. Now each one of these just comes out so you can actually decide how many of these bars you want out, up to 16 different bars. So if you just had a little corner that you needed to be able to put this in, you can put that in the corner and it doesn't have to take up all the space. If you put out all 16 of them, it's about 44 inches around. So whether you have things like you just want to dry a towel, you can easily just lay some clothing over there or some intimates that you needed to lay out. Like I said, you can select which ones you want to use. Or if you have your ironing stuff and you're just waiting to iron it or letting it dry, all of these things have these little notches right at the top. So you can put your clothes however you want to on here to be able to dry it, let it sit out of your way. They said, hey, I didn't actually need these. Let's put these back. Super simple. So I'm going to bring you in here so you can take a close look at it, and then we'll put it back away and show you just how easy this thing is. So here's this rack up close. As you can see, the little notches right on the top of this beautiful teak wood. So if you did want to hang your hanger right on there, it has a little place to be able to set on each one of them. And then you can take it and just slide it back down for whichever ones you don't want to use and be able to put this away. It also has this little handle right here to be able to pick it up. And there you go. This is a nice tripod teak clothes drying rack.